All right, guys, so today's going to be a short video for you. It's a Chevy 3500 Dually on 37s and 22s, kind of a budget build. I think I said earlier in the video that it was a $10,000 build, and I looked back at the ticket and it was $11,000. So if you're trying to do something for about half the cost of, one of these with the big JTXs and stuff like that on it, this is a good option for you. Let me know what you think about the shorter videos, or if I should make them a little bit longer in the future. Thank you.
Is she really leaving? Huh? Yeah.
Next time you're shopping for the family, look for delicious Kroger brand products, because they'll make you all feel like you're winning. Our response to the vaccine. Side effects include pain.
It's a cold day in January, but we're working. I got another one done for you today, 2020 GMC Denali HD 3500. This one we did the 6-inch Readylift on. Some 37-inch Toyo MTs with some 22-inch XF wheels. This is a good budget-friendly build if you're not in the market to buy forged wheels. I think everything with this one came in right under $10,000. Great everyday driver look. This guy's gonna pull with this truck and everything, and it's all set up for it. Some of these trucks come with an overload spring in the rear for extra load support, and you have to accommodate for that when you do the lift kit on it. Needs longer U-bolts and a couple other little things, but this truck will fully be functional. Whenever you load a trailer down, it comes down on this top spring instead of putting all the weight on the bottom spring. So good look, good driving truck. If you have any questions about this build, shoot me a call at the shop, 678-994-9180.